In this video, I'll show you how to add a credit or debit card to your Google Play account. First, grab your phone or open your computer and launch the Google Play Store. Make sure you are logged into the correct Google account that you want to add the card to. Once you are inside the Google Play Store, look for your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. A menu will drop down with a few different options. From that menu, tap on Payment and Subscriptions. This is where you can manage all of your payment methods connected to your Google Play account. Once you are inside, tap on Add Payment Method. You will now see a list of payment options. Go ahead and select the credit or debit card option. This will open up a form where you need to enter your card information. Fill in your card number, your expiry date, and your CVV number. The CVV is the 3-digit number on the back of your card. After that, select your country and your state from the drop-down options. Once you have filled in all the details, double-check that everything is correct. Then tap on Save Card. Your card will be saved to your Google Play account instantly. From now on, whenever you want to buy an app, a game, or anything else on Google Play, your card will already be there and ready to use. You will not have to enter your details every single time. That is how you do it.